everyone, it's 3rd December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have air pollution takes center stage at MCD meet. Parking fee hike put on the hold again. Again, very important. Then we have no regime change claim and charge sheet. Activist tell court. Again, very important. Then we have SC puts on hold. POXO trial against former Karnataka CM. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have military presence in Lakshadweep is set to increase with Navy, Air Force giving shape to expansion plans. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have this whole page dedicated to this one news. Why is there no peace in Ukraine? Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have why the SIR needs to be completely digitalized. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have Sanchar Sathi app can be deleted from devices, says Minister. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have only 20% of candidates accepted PM internship scheme offers, says data. Again, very important. Then we have Center says UP reported maximum complaints over Jal Jeevan Mission projects. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have Russia wants to increase trade with India, says Peskov. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have article on Putin by envoys of Germany, UK, France, unusual. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have WHO backs use of GLP-1 drugs for weight loss. Again, very important for health perspective. Then we have DOT's WhatsApp SIM binding mandate faces BIF pushback. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have if Europe wants war with Russia, we are ready, says Putin before talks. Then we have Sudan's RSF takes control of strategic West Kordofan town. Then we have India took leading role in relief efforts in aftermath of Cyclone Ditwa in Sri Lanka. Then lastly we have Israeli forces kill 4 Palestinians in Gaza and West Bank. All these news are very important for international relations perspective, and that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.